So let's talk about package management in Linux. Hey everyone, what's happening? I'm going to show you today 3 basic package management methods inside of Linux Mint. So let's go ahead, let's dive into this. So here we are on the desktop, and we're going to go ahead and start with the terminal command line way method, not way, but whatever you want to call it. So we're going to go ahead and open up a terminal. A lot of people may not like terminal because it's confusing, but really, once you get used to it, it's not that confusing. We're going to go ahead and zoom in, and it's actually quite simple. Now, the package manager in Linux Mint is based on Ubuntu, so it's apt. Now, apt is very, very simple to use. And we're not going to go diving into a bunch of complex commands with apt. We're going to do a install of a package right now. And so it's going to be sudo, because you have to run it as root. And then it's going to be apt, of course. Now we're going to go ahead and install. And we're going to install, how about this? GNOME Nibbles. Now that's one of my favorite games. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And we're going to go ahead and enter my password. Now it's going to confirm it. And we're going to go ahead and hit yes. So it's just basically an apt installed in the package name. Now, yes, you do have to know the package name. And of course, when I go here, I'm going to go here to games, and here is GNOME Nibbles, all installed for me. I actually like this. It could also be called Worm, Snake, whatever you want to call it. You just go around and eat the fruit. It's actually really quite fun, quite amusing, quite addictive. Now, to purge it, now to uninstall, you go sudo apt purge. Alright, whoops, if I can type correctly. Purge. And we're just going to do a GNOME -nibbles. Oh, come on. There we go. Now it's going to go ahead and confirm it again. Let's just say that you don't know a package name. That would be apt search, and you do not have to run this as root. And let's just say I knew nibbles. I just search nibble, and it should be able to find something. See? Now it tells me GNOME Nibbles, I386, etc. You should be able to find the package name if you know part of it. And that is all I'm going to show you right now in apt. However, I think I will expound on apt in a later video, but that is just the basics. So we'll exit that. Now the second method I will show you is the software manager. Now, it's often called a software store, and that would, a lot of times by default, it's on the left side here. I have removed it from there. So I'm just going to go to administration here and go to software manager right here. And so here's our software manager. Now we're just going to go ahead and install a package. Now Google Earth, I believe that's a Flatpak. So, but this also installs Flatpaks as well. I'll dive into Flatpaks as well in a later video as well. This is just basic apt. So we'll just search nibbles. And it should come up with nibbles. And here we go. We're going to go ahead and hit the install, and that is it. And now it's going to ask me for my password, and we'll enter it in. Oh. And it installs it. Now you can only install basically one package at a time. On APT, you can separate packages with a space and install multiple packages all at once. Now, of course, you can launch it from here, and here's no nibbles. And you can then remove it as well from this software center, and it removes it. Often it'll ask for your password, but it knows that I have root privileges, so it didn't. Kind of like the terminal. Now, this is a custom store for Linux Mint, so, and it's built in. And this also controls Flatpaks as well. So we're going to go ahead and close this out. And now, the last one, which is Synaptic. Now, I've gone over Synaptic in another video. I'll link it up in the right-hand corner. And, but we'll go ahead and take a peek at Synaptic as well. Now, it asks for your password up front here. It will not ask for your password again. So, let's just go ahead, and to install a package, I would go here and I'd search nibbles. And I'll search it. And here it is. No nibbles. And I hit mark for installation. And I click apply. Now I would hit apply again. That's my screen tearing again. I need to fix that. Now I'm going to go ahead and close. And here it is. Of course, then it refreshes. Now, to remove a package, I'd go here and hit mark for complete removal, and hit apply, and hit apply. And that is basic Synaptic. Now, there are also updates to be ran as well. Now, in Linux Mint, you have an automatic update manager right here. It's down here on the system tray right here, and it'll check for updates every so often. Now, if you want to check for updates, you just click refresh, and it will check for updates. And here it is. It says my system is up to date. Now, you can also run them through Synaptic as well. Synaptic. By going here, entering in your password. Of course, it brings up here, and then you just hit reload, and it will check for updates. Now, your update manager will actually run them through Synaptic, so you can just skip. You can do it through here, or you can also do it through the terminal through APT. And we'll go ahead and hit the maximize. We'll zoom back in, and it'd be a sudo apt update, and then it'd be and sudo apt upgrade. Now, sudo apt update would be like hitting the refresh or reload, and doing the sudo apt upgrade would install them. Now, this is just one command. You can run them as separate commands, or you can also run them at like this. with a semicolon in between them, it does the same thing. So that was basic package management inside of Linux Mint. It's actually pretty simple and very easy to understand. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment in the section below. Also, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, or a thumbs down if you didn't. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time. If you like my content and wish to support my work, you can do so on Patreon. The link is in the description. Also, if you wish to see more, check out the videos on your screen.